In full swing na ang transition sa Cebu City sa pagitan ni Mayor-elect Nestor Archival at outgoing Mayor Raymond Garcia. May patuloy na reklamo naman ang dating mayor na si Michael Rama. Narito ang agenda reporting Marian Uy.
2 linggo matapos ang halalan, nagtagpo ang incoming mayor ng Cebu City na si Nestor Archival at outgoing mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia para sa isang transition meeting na pinangunahan ng DILG.
We have here the team of Mayor-elect Archival and of course the team of Mayor Raymond Garcia.
Nilinaw ng ahensya ang mga hakbang na dapat sundin para maayos ang pag-upo ni Archival. Natuwa naman ang incoming mayor sa paghahanda at pagtipon-tipon ng mga department heads ng kasalukuyang administrasyon. Formal niya ring ipinakilala ang mga miyembro ng kanyang transition team.
And we're very happy to be here and would like also to thank the department center here for work. So hoping that things will be fine. And of course, thank you for EFT for helping us so that. And you will be helping us all the time, right? Salamat, and we hope that we will continue to do what is right for the Conservative. Thank you.
Tiniyak naman ni outgoing Mayor Garcia ang suporta para kay Archival.
We have to support our incoming administration so that we will all have a future to look after. Everyone has a stake in the development of our city, and we have to work together for a better, brighter future for the city of Cebu.
Pero habang may transition meeting sa City Hall, mayroon namang press conference ang dating alkalde ng Cebu City na si Attorney Michael Rama, kung saan muli niyang inilahad ang kanyang pagkakadismaya sa midterm elections. Anya, masyadong mababa ang 120,124 votes na nakuha niya noong May 12 kumpara sa nakaraang halalan. Umaasa pa rin si Rama na aaksyonan ng COMELEC ang kanyang protesta at mungkahi na magkaroon ng manual recount. Kinumpirma rin ng dating alkalde na manatili siyang oposisyon bilang Vice President ng PDP laban sa Visayas Region. Para sa agenda, Marian Uy, Billionaire News Channel, Cebu.